Done. Yeah, yours. Guys, we are going to eat. So this is baby food. This one, what do you call this one? This is egg. I just boil some eggs and it's going so hot. Ay! So yun, it's still hot. Oh, this is a egg. So hot! You wait for mama to finish, okay? Because it's so hot. Oh, hot. Oh, time off. Oh. You need to wait. Kasi nakakainit niya na. Si Gia. Ayaw mo na si Gia. Hot pa yan ha. Is it hot? I told you it's hot. Mamaya. Hot, mamaya na. Mamaya na pag di na hot ha. Blow pa ni mama. Blow pa ni mama. So this is the breakfast of my baby. One boiled egg and a little bit of rice. And later, I'm going to give him one banana. Okay, you eat first. This one. I'm going to give him banana later. After he finish eating the rice and the egg. Because if I give now the banana, he's going to eat first the banana. So I need to make sure that he eat first and then I'm going to give the banana. This one also. Thank you. Very good. Eat yummy. Yummy. Wow, so very good, little baby. You eat rice also, this one. Rice and then egg. You put it like this. Rice and egg. And a yellow one. And you put it like that. And then you eat. Very good. Clap your hands. Yay.